Okay, Charlie Bear, taste test eggs. Scrambled eggs. Not having much luck? You don't want to try them?
Just not opening your mouth wide enough.
Come on, baby. Help her, Daddy. I usually do like a tickle on the bottom. See? Ah.
She can't. She's pushing it.
Her tooth got me. Get it? Ah. What do you think? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Wait. She doesn't.
Oh.
Yeah. Maybe not?
Not sweet. Like your other foods. Come on. Eat it.
Go on, Charlie Bear. Give it a try. Nom, 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 nom. She's keeping it, like holding it in her mouth. It's the texture, I think. She's never had this kind of food. I don't think this taste test is going well.
No. One more tickle.
Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. That's a big one. No?
No.
All right, Daddy, you're going to have to eat the rest of the eggs.
All right.
Maybe she wants it. No, it just wants to play. All right, Charlie Bear, that's it for this taste test. Does she like eggs? No.
No.